SoundPeats 3.2 Classic earbuds. They're really cool. They have one feature that I have not seen in any other wireless headphones, headsets or earbuds. Let me show you what it is. So first of all, they're very quick to connect, and so this is a box. They're very small, much smaller than my Huawei Premium headphones or earbuds box. They may be slightly thicker, but much smaller and much lighter. You know, these are quite heavy in comparison. I think the weight difference is like 60% to 100, you know, and the individual earbuds inside also are quite light in comparison with the other ones. So I open them naturally like this, like any other ones, and they're very easy to remove from the box, which I really like. Now, okay, 1, 2, okay, pairing, okay, that's very connected. That's fairly quick. That's not the quickest in the world, but very quick. And the feature I'm talking about, let me just find it in the settings. Here we go. That's this thing here. It says sync volume with phone. So what that does, it means when I activate this, so it's on, it means if I use the volume control, which is the activated by touching them, works together with the phone volume control. Or if I want them to work independently, I switch it off and the volume of the earbuds is set to minimum maximum here by touching those earbuds. Or I could use this, but that's independent, you know, so the phone works independently. It will obviously affect the volume, whichever one I use, but it's independent. And for me, it's quite important that I can choose, because I usually prefer when it's actually synchronized, the phone and the earbuds. But sometimes I might prefer the other way around, or some people might have preference for this. So this is really good. Okay, so they sit very well in the ears, very comfortable. They will not fall out, so they're good for running and other exercises. Also, they're fairly small, so I can pull clothes over my head and remove the clothes as well. And if I'm careful, they will not fall out. Whereas with my premium headphones, the Huawei ones, they will actually get pulled out easily. It's very difficult to remove some clothes or put them on, pulling through the head. So, big advantage of these. Now the noise isolation is actually really good because they fit in the ear. So one thing is they are earbuds, so they are insulated because they are kind of fully in the ear canal, as opposed to the earphones like this type, which go into ear but do not isolate completely. So passive insulation or noise isolation, one thing, but they also go further into the ear and block even more. So I've tested them on the London Underground, and they were actually really good. Not as good as in these when I engage the the active noise cancellation, the electronic one, but pretty close. I was really surprised. Sound quality, amazing. It took me a long time of trying these and then trying the Huawei ones, the premium ones, many times on many songs before I started hearing the difference. So yeah, the premium ones, they handle certain higher frequencies in a little bit better way, but again, the difference was marginal. They're good for voice calls, phone calls, you know, talking to people through them as well. I've tested that a little bit. So generally, I do recommend them. Good job. Now, the good thing about this company, SoundPeats, I've checked the website and the YouTube channel. They really do things professionally, and I can see it in the videos. I can see it in the design of the box, of the manual. The case nicely designed, and the equipment as well, so that bodes well for the future. It seems like it's a brand that we can trust. They retail at the moment for £30, I think. I got them for free to test, and also I have a pair to give away as well. Would you like one? Okay, so same thing as previously. Leave me comments, tell me why do you think you should get these earbuds? Why should it be you, not someone else? If you want them most, of course I'll give it to you. Why would I give it to someone who doesn't really want them? Yeah, so if you really want them, tell me why, and they're yours. Well, I can only give them away mainly in the UK. but if you're in Germany, France and Italy, the company promised to ship it there as well. So make sure that you leave me in the comments why you want it, and also share a link to this video and on any of your social media channels. Now the headphones, as I said, they're very, very small, but nevertheless they look good, well designed, and I think that they're worthy. £30, absolutely really good choice. You can go a bit cheaper with buying different models, or if you want a different design, you can go for these, £20. Recently they was retailing for £20. I believe the price is still the same, I don't know. And the bass is actually quite good, although not as powerful as the other headphones. However, when I changed this rubber thing, whatever it's called, into a larger one, the bass improved a bit. So I wouldn't say that the bass is bad, it's just it's not as powerful as other headsets, and this is actually good because there are some songs that have very strong bass and they sound good with these headphones or earbuds, whereas if the song doesn't have a strong bass, the bass is still there, it's just not very powerful, therefore it's actually might be suitable for many people. So that's a good thing. But again, if you change this into a bigger one, you'll have a stronger bass. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.